I'm Monica with Nerd News Social, and I'm here to talk about the Atlas S Pro memory card. As some of you probably are aware, I am the website's videographer and photographer for most of the things that are on there. So speed in a memory card is extremely important for me as a videographer. On this particular one, it is ultra fast. It is recommended for photographers and videographers. You have a lot of the typical stuff, the C10, the U3, the bus of 2, but what's really important, what I really want to talk about, is the V90 that's on here. So with all of those things combined, you're looking at a memory card that's capable of recording 8K at 120p, which is insane. It's currently is one of the best cards on the market, and I am really excited to try this out and let you know how it goes. Again, the Atlas S Pro, super exciting to have this on the market, super excited to be able to use this with my own businesses. Highly recommend it, especially for people who are videographers and photographers. I would say sports photography and sports videography, definitely this is going to be the one if your camera uses SD cards. With that being said, I do want to bring out one more thing, and be patient with this because then it's going to be kind of cool. So this is the OWC brand USB-C Travel Dock. Most laptops these days are not going to have the typical USB-A, which is the big fat one if you're not savvy with that, or memory card slots. This guy is going to translate that from the USB-C, which most laptops do have nowadays. You're going to have a USB-A slot for all of your bigger devices, like external CD players. I know are going to need those, so if you need to write onto a CD, then you're going to be able to plug it into this dock. You have a memory card reader, so if you do end up picking this guy up, you're going to have a spot to read it on the go. It works with pretty much every operating system. It works with Chrome, it works with Mac, iOS, it works with iPad iOS, which is really cool, iPad OS, Android, Windows, pretty much everything. And the reason that I'm mentioning this is because here at Nerd News Social, we're going to be hosting a giveaway contest where you can win this guy. All you have to do is check out the link below to get more information on this contest right here. Possibly win this guy to take with you on all of your sports trips, work vacations, or wherever you might need on-the-go access to other devices with your laptop. Thank you so much for joining us here at Nerd News Social. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.